the out-front rotaries that deliver out-front performance. The Toro Groundsmaster 3200 and 3300 mowers. With your choice of powerful engines, Toro's Crosstracks all-wheel drive, and an out-front deck, you can tackle almost any job fast. These compact Groundsmasters perform in tight spots and still provide excellent tracking for those wide-open spaces. With a 12-gallon fuel tank and transport speeds of up to 13.7 miles an hour, you won't waste any time between jobs. Plus, the 7.8 inches of ground clearance means you can get over those curbs and quickly move job to job. Maintenance is a breeze too, with Toro's innovative tilt-up deck, so you can clean and change blades without a lift. Under the heavy-duty welded 7-gauge steel deck are the industry's toughest spindle assemblies that'll stand up to your toughest conditions and still be gentle around the landscaping. Toro designed these mowers with the operator in mind, so you'll be comfortable and productive day in and day out. This versatile mower is ready for any season, any location, any condition. So when you need out-front performance, turn to Toro's Groundsmaster 3200 and 3300 out-front rotary mowers. Only from